Hi everyone, good day from wherever you are watching me from. On today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to make egg roll. So firstly, I added 1.5 cup of flour into this bowl. I added 1/8 of sugar, and that is like 2 spoons of sugar. I added 15 ml of nutmeg, 12 ml of salt. I added 5 ml of baking powder, a full spoon of butter, and I break one egg into a bowl. So I won't be using whole, but you are using like 2 cup of flour, you can use full one egg. So I won't be using all the one egg that I broke into this cup. So I'll add this small, I'll mix all together. I'll be adding little quantity of water along. Everything is well incorporated. I'll be adding water, and the water doesn't have to be too much, just add little by little so that it won't be too watery while you are mixing. Till the dough is becoming more fluffier. Everything is well incorporated. I'll mix properly till the dough is very fluffy. So once the dough is very fluffy, these measurements can only be used for 3 eggs. That means the egg roll will come out big. But if you want to use it for like 4 eggs, it has to be like, means half cup means for one egg. If you are doing like 5 cups, it means you have to use like 2.5 cup of flour. So I splitted it into three, and I'll be measuring the stuff that I splitted, and to have equal parts for the measurement. The ones that are not, that are too much, I'll cut it out, and once I'm done, I will flatten the dough with my hand. So I've splitted it equally like that, and I'll be flattening the dough. Please, if you want to make anything snacks, have some flour set aside. Don't say because you want to use 5 cup of flour, that means you have to have 5 cup of flour. If you are using 5 cup of flour, you need to have another 1 cup set aside. So once I've put in the egg into the dough, I will rub it around. I will make sure everything is well mixed, because once there is any space between your rolling together, it will show when you are frying. I hope you get what I'm saying. So I will roll it very well till there is no sign of where I mix it together. So once everything is well combined and we have our egg roll, I'll proceed to the rest of the dough cutout that I have. You see, we've achieved the egg roll like that, and I'll proceed to the rest of the dough. Once I'm done with the three, I'll proceed to the frying. You have to preheat your oil before frying, and it has to be on a very low medium heat. Cause once your oil is too hot, it won't be the egg roll will not be done inside. So you have to put your oil on a low medium heat, and the three dough is ready. And my oil is preheated already, so I'll be adding it one. You can use a bigger pot to add the stuff at once, but because the this pot is not big, so I have to add it one. I later proceeded to using two at once, and it has to be inside a deep frying pot. You can't use your normal flat frying pan for egg roll, because if you use that, one side will be done and the other side will not be done. So once you are frying, you have to keep rolling and rolling so that you will achieve all cooked um egg roll, because you don't want one place to be cooked and the other place not to be cooked. So you have to be rolling it continuously. So once it is golden brown and you see that, just make sure that your heat is on a low medium heat. So I'll take it out of fire once it is golden brown. That means it is done and our egg roll is ready. I'll proceed to the rest of the doughs that I have, which are the rest of the two, and I will fry till it is done. And after then, that means our egg roll is ready. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Please practice, comment, give us a feedback, and I really appreciate your support so far. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. So I'm done with the frying of the egg roll. That means the egg roll is ready, and I'll be showing you what the inside looks like. And start a business with this, so if you have a place to display it. So this is our egg roll. It is done. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.